Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, real simple lathe guard, or more of a coolant guard I should say. Okay, as you can see, all the coolant flying off. Okay, you know, as the tool goes in, obviously ideal. This thing is basically just the old light. This had, I'll put a strip light above the machine now, one of these LED boxes. Okay, you can see that, really bright, really good. But basically you can see here the coolant flying off. You know, it's not going anywhere at all. Originally this would all be going all over the floor, all over the bike, all over the place. But as you can see, it's pretty dry. Also stops a lot of it flying up. Okay, and obviously this is very movable, easy to swing out the way, and costs nothing. It's just two bits of old plastic off a box, and another box here. I've just cut a hole in it to let the coolant out. But just tie wrapped on. If I need another one, I'll just get another old box, you know, and make one like that. But as you can see, very, very simple, very easy to maneuver, and of course this does go around the tool post, so it does mean the coolant isn't going to fly all over the place, whereas if I had it here, you'd still get a load coming out here. But ridiculously simple to make, costs you next to nothing. Hopefully it's of use to you. It's Mike from Custom Cruisers, just making some Harley wheel hubs for one of the bikes. You know, gonna stick some big wheels on this. Beautiful beach bike, Elvis going on, and Sun Records. So anyway, thought it might be helpful. You know, I'm no expert, but it works for me. Thank you.